Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Today's BMG miniature model scale. Today, right over there, I'm going to show you the best BMG miniature. So right here we have is a bucket. This bucket already got wet. I tested it, and then we have a tube going in the toilet, and it's not connected there. It goes in, and then let's open it and show you the inside. So in the inside of the BMG we have is the flusher here, and it goes in that little tube right there, so it really can clear up some stuff. Alright, so let's take a good look at this toilet, and hopefully I will show you all about this. So let's get started. Here I have some weird little items here I'm going to flush, and I got some new dechlorinated water here. This is very cool, and I'm going to be flushing it down here. So we have is our bucket. Always leave that there. 2 rounds. I've got it on my carpet. Alright, so my first thing I'm going to start with is some strain. I'm going to plop this in the toilet. I'm going to give it a good flush. Watch closely. It's not a good flush I did. Sorry. I'll have to take out that strain. That strain's really wet. I'll throw it in the garbage later. Give me just a minute, guys. Problem about us having this is you gotta get out all this strain that's clogged in there. So, got it out. Alright? Good enough. I'm going to just screw off the lid. It's fine with you. I don't need that lid over there, so I'm going to add in some water. Just in there like that. That's all. Okay. Oh, put the bucket there when you're done. You don't want to forget that. Okay, so I'm going to be flushing this. I'm going to flush like this rope stuff down. Let's see how good it does. Oh, it clogged it again. It's okay. Stuff just don't go down very well. I'm going to try in a few beads in this toilet. I got a Lego, a bead, and another bead. I'm going to fill up the water again. So this BMG toilet here is my first channel in the world. I can't wait to show off more. And it's okay because this is something you can do that is not so messy after all. So I'm going to flush these beads. Watch closely. You see that? They went down. They drained in the toilet. My next thing I'm going to flush is this tiny little screw. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but it's going to go down. Yep, see that? It went down. I'm going to put in this little capsule cleaner, this thing right there. I'm going to flush it. See that? It went down. There's all the items. My other thing I'm going to flush is I'm going to get rid of like the, I'm also going to get rid of like, so let's see stuff in here like, alright. So let's check in this chest. So let's try flushing the sword down. Oh, you see that? It went down. Let me angle it for you guys. Alright, I'll put in 2 syringes. See that? They went down. And my last one is a hair clip. Oh, still in there. Oh, wow. We're going to empty out this water. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching my first BMG miniature toilet. I'm going to make a slow-mo of it flushing like some pom-poms down the toilet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.